Good day, viewers. I am by name Stephen Akunito from Kaduna Polytechnic from the Department of Survey and Geoinformatics. On our previous video, we learned on how to create the grid data in which it will be used to model terrain using this software called SURFA. On today's tutorial, we will learn how to use colors to model terrain. Using colors by showing the difference in height and also the difference in colors with the color scale. So to model this, we'll click on contour map. When I click on contour map, now this was the data we created earlier in our previous video, and it's saved in this folder, SURFA tutorials. So I click on it and I open. Now my contour has been created by the software. So for me to create the color scale, I double click on this and the layer property manager appears. So I smoothen the contour lines. So by smoothing it, so I hide the level of smoothing. So the next thing to do is to go to levels. I click on levels. So on our previous video we used contour interval of 0.2, so let's maintain that contour interval. So let me edit it. I click 0.2 and I enter. Now my contour interval still maintains 0.2. So minimize this. Now the fill in contour, so I check on this box. I can also change the color in which I want to use by clicking on here, customize color, checking down here. So let's use terrain color. So and I press OK. Now the color map has been produced. So I can also check in the color scale. So this is the color map showing the difference in colors and difference in height. So I zoom. So this is it. Minimize them. I can also increase the width of the index contour so as to differentiate it from the intermediate contour lines. So to increase the width, I click on this and you see I can even change the color of the index contour to differentiate it from the intermediate contour. To do that, you click on this and you select the color. So let's use brown. So our index color are brown. So I can increase the width by clicking here, increasing it. Now so it's okay this way. So I'm through with this. So I can save my work as PDF for me to print directly. I can also export my work as DSF and continue editing using AutoCAD. So to save my work, let me give it a title. To give it a title, go to text click on text and I type color map. Let me increase the size to 40. Type 40. Let me bolden it. I'll also give it a new background. Let's say green. Color it and I OK it. Color map. So I can add the scale bar by going down to map, add, and down to scale bar. Let me also create a border. Clicking on this rectangle and draw. So my color map can now be saved. So to save as PDF, in which I will use or get the hard copy, I will export by clicking Ctrl E, or you go to File and you go down to Export. So I can export it as PDF. So let me export it as PDF vector. I'm still saving inside that folder, software tutorials. Color map. And I save inside and I click OK. Now my data are saved inside that folder. So let me minimize and check. So this is my folder, software tutorials. I open. This is my folder. So I can further print and I can get the hard copy.